The next era of electric vehicles is here, and it's built on these remarkable advances. 2026 is a landmark year. Luxury EVs are being completely reimagined. Blistering performance, immersive tech, and sustainable opulence converge to create a new era. You no longer have to choose between excitement, comfort, and conscience. You get it all. From the Taycan's precision to the EQS's digital sanctuary and mushroom-based interiors, every model brings something unique. The pace of innovation is staggering, and the future of luxury driving is undeniably electric. Which 2026 model are you most excited about? Is it the performance, the tech, or the sustainability? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cadillac's Optiq V brings the legendary V-Series performance into the electric era. Built on GM's Ultium platform, it delivers 519 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and a 0-60 time around 3.5 seconds. V-Mode sharpens throttle, suspension, and steering for a true performance experience at the push of a button. Aggressive yet mature design cues, carbon fiber, larger wheels, and aerodynamic tweaks signal its intent. Inside, a curved OLED screen, V-branded seats and carbon accents create a driver-focused, luxurious environment. Premium features like Super Cruise and AKG audio ensure it's still a Cadillac at heart. The Optiq V proves American luxury performance is alive and